To set your Galaxy Watch to turn its screen on when receiving notification on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting, tap notification, next tap advanced notification setting, and then tap the gray on offset next to turn on screen until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap the back key. When the turn on screen option is on, when there's a new notification while you are wearing your Galaxy Watch, your Galaxy Watch will turn on automatically so you can easily read notification. However, the screen will not turn on when you set the sound mode on your watch to mute. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.